I've knocked on thousands of doors throughout my life, and I remember how hard it was to knock on that very first door. But once you start to knock and you get into flow, success is inevitable. Just get knocking. It's now that you should start, right now. Hey there, Judd Burdon here with Asphalt Kingdom. Thanks for your time. First tip, step away from the door, make sure you have space. Thanks for your time. Hey, listen, I was driving by your in the neighborhood, and I'm a local asphalt maintenance and repair provider. Okay. And I noticed that you have such a beautiful yard, beautiful home. Grass is absolutely green and cut. You've got trimmed landscape. It's really, really beautiful, man. You've done a great job with your property.
Appreciate that.
Compliment. Give that value. Props them up a little bit, right? And your driveway, tell me a little bit about your driveway. I've noticed that there's some cracks on it. I noticed that it's faded. It's not really the same. It hasn't stood up the same way as the rest of the property.
It's actually kind of embarrassing. It's been on the list for a while. Just keeps falling through the cracks. And I mean, I'm going to do it one of these days.
Got it. Have you thought about doing it at all?
Well, I looked into it. I looked at the hardware store and I found what I need to do it. I just haven't found the time.
Got it. Time for sure. You're busy. I'm sure you're a businessman, right? Yeah. And so time is important to you.
Exactly.
Got it. And have you done any of your other yard work, or is it?
Well, yeah, everything else. My wife does the gardening. I do the trimming. You know, we keep it under wraps.
Got it. And the asphalt's the very first thing that you drive on your property, right?
It's true. Yeah.
So you have noticed it.
It just, I'm gonna be honest with you.
Yeah.
Looks hot. Doesn't look fun.
It's actually fun for us. But I'll tell you what we do over here at Asphalt Kingdom. What we do is we actually give you your time back.
Okay.
Right? So we just solved a pain point there, right? He said that his challenge was time. He's a busy guy. Now I want to be able to give his time back. We solved that pain point by giving you your time back. What we do is we actually have professional materials that come out to do the job, sealing the cracks, making sure they're watertight, and then we put a seal coat down on the surface, matte black, brings out the colors of your property even more, and your beautiful home that you have as well. So everything becomes that same kind of level that you're looking for with your property. I'm assuming that your property, you want to keep it in, prime type of a aesthetic appearance. Right?
Absolutely, yes.
Yeah.
But here's my question for you. How expensive is this?
Oh, it's not expensive at all. I mean, asphalt, for example, if you don't do the maintenance on your asphalt, it just means that you're going to have to replace it more often. Asphalt generally lasts for about 12 years unmaintained. Mm-hmm. And of course, you not having the time to be able to do it means that you're going to have to do this every 2 or 3 years, right? And so you don't want to be doing that every 2 or 3 years. So it's not about how much it costs. It's more of an investment because we're going to prolong the asphalt.
Yeah.
We can extend the life of the pavement if we do this every 2 to 3 years and put you on our maintenance program. We can extend it to about 36 years, all while keeping it looking great like your property.
That is pretty appealing. How soon can you do it?
Oh, we can do it right away. I mean, we do have trucks in the area, so we do have material. And if the trucks are fully booked today, then we can definitely schedule you for tomorrow or the following day. Let me ask you, from a standpoint of having you getting your time back, and also having a professional job completed, is that something that is of interest to you?
Well, it's definitely of interest to me. I didn't realize it was this easy to get someone to come and do this. I probably would have done it years ago if I did.
Right. Well, listen, we walked the driveway and we determined the total number of square feet, 8,000 square feet as we walked up. And we see that this driveway is going to take roughly about 150 gallons worth of material to do it properly.
Okay.
You know, the difference between doing a job that, let's say we applied 100 gallons or 150 is just the way that it's going to last and the way it's going to look. So as a professional contractor, we always want to make sure to put the right amount of volume down on the asphalt to protect the integrity of it. Does that make sense?
It makes sense.
Beautiful. Well, listen, we do this for 45 cents a square foot, and we put down 2 coats of sealer down on the surface.
Okay.
And at 45 cents at 8,000 square feet, you're sitting just around $4,000 for the whole job.
Okay.
To be able to do it properly. And so if we do that every 3 years, then we're going to be in good shape. We'll extend it 36 years versus having to replace it 8,000 square feet at roughly around $7 a square foot, yeah. $56,000 every 12 years. It's crazy. And it looks terrible.
Yeah, the way you're laying this down, it makes sense to me. Sign me up.
Okay, great. I'm going to get you our quote right now, and you just have to sign off on the bottom of it. And then we'll get the job done. Once we're completed with the job, you can make payment via MasterCard, Visa, Amex, or whatever works for you. And we would love the opportunity as well, once we've completed this job, done a really good job for you, that you leave us a great review.
I can do that.
Fantastic.
Thank you very much.
I do have one more thing that would be a huge request from you, if you don't mind, once we get this job done as well. Can you think of 3 or 4 more other people that may need a job like this done for them?
Absolutely. I'll call some of my neighbors.
I really appreciate that, man. Thank you so much. While we're in the neighborhood, it's great to just get a bunch of the driveways done and crimp up the properties, right? Fantastic. Thank you, Mr. Smith. I appreciate it, and we'll get started here right away.
Excellent.